This right here is a $120 Mimaki damper assembly. It is plastic and cellophane. The cheapest feeling, lightest weight, 120 bucks you'll ever see. Crazy. But $120 sure beats a $7,000 head replacement that I was considering for my Mimaki JV100 in my last video. That's exactly what it was though, it was a damper. One of you put in the comments that the leaky head is usually a sign of a bad damper and not necessarily a sign of a bad head. I figured, you know what? It's a brick right now. It's not doing anything. I'm just gonna give it a shot myself. I found a video that was done by Blue Ridge Screen Supply in the western part of North Carolina. They, after DTF Superstore went out of business, they took over a lot of their Mimaki DTF machine business. The Mimaki DTF machine looks very, very similar to this. I could not find a video out there on how to replace a damper on the Mimaki JV100-160. I also looked up the JV100-160 manual and I did a search for damper. The word damper isn't in the manual, so that was really annoying. I found a few blog post online, but the closest thing I could get was this Mimaki video. I also learned that if I wanted to replace this machine, Mimaki has now discontinued the JV100-160. They now only have the JV200. I did extensive research on machines. A lot of you suggested Epson. You know, Mimaki has the JV330. Man, if I do go to buy a new machine, I think I'm definitely going Epson for sure. For right now, I don't have to do that. This thing is printing so good, and I'm very happy. So here's a look at what my little print test is looking like right now. The magenta is really clear right now. I had to do another cleaning after this, but it's looking pretty good. That's a look at the damper assembly. It's really easy to take out. I'm gonna link the Blue Ridge video below. I don't really want to be responsible for you guys doing this yourself, but you can see there's no black ink leaking out of the head anymore, so worked out pretty good. There's another look at the assembly. That's how it comes. It has a different plastic head on the top of it that doesn't work for this particular machine, so you have to take that off, and you can see that's the one. It's got two little nozzles on it, so that's what I pried off right there. And then the other one that comes inside the packaging, you put the one with the two little nipples on top of it. So, because that's what the little ink has to hook up into. That's a look at the old damper assembly. I also replaced the caps and the little capping station with the new foam. Those caps get a lot of ink on them, so it's a good idea to replace those as well. If you guys haven't clued in on this yet, I have no idea what I'm doing. And the reason I do this channel is not to teach you things. It's for my own selfish benefit. I mean, I benefited from the comments, and I just want to thank all of you so much. I got so much value out of all the comments in the last video. It really means a lot that you would tune in, first of all, but then you would also help me out. So thank you very much. I super appreciate it. I've had some other issues with other machines in the shop, some crazy stuff that's happened. So, but I'm gonna save that for another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you very soon. Take care.